Hey, no, I'm not on the water, but I want to show you a video of what it takes to go kayak fishing. I'm going to take the kayak out, catch a fish, and come back. Take a look if you're interested. If you're not, watch something else. Have a good one. I'm at the ICW. Let's see what we can catch here. Oh, gotta be careful here. This might be slippery. Pull my pants up. Okay. So far, so good. Whoop. Okay, here we go. Kayak's in the water. Up. Get a little deeper. All right, let the wheels come off. Here we go. Put the wheels back in the car. Whew. Okay. Here we go. Something that I always forget, that is put the keys in the dry box. Very important. Well, it looks like the tide's still going out. Babies in a dry box. Okay, now we're good to go. Put the depth finder on. I just charged it up, and this looks good. All right, let's get out there with the $1 million boats. I'm just learning about this place. All right. Let's throw the anchor out here. These people just came back from fishing. It's like things are quieting down. Just tighten up this line. You know, I'm going to check my bait on this one. Make sure I still have bait. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, not much bait. I got it. Holy smoke. What do we got? Put the line down hard. Nothing big. Coming in nicely. Does he know what's happening or not? Oh, he just slowed down. Come on, you're on the wrong side of the boat. I don't like it over there. Nothing big. Hi, coming around here. What is it? Ah, it's another small cat. I'm not gonna bring him in. Where are my pliers? I don't want to use these. Okay, come on. He's not happy. Oh, look at this slime. You know what? I'm gonna grip him anyway because otherwise I'll lose my pliers. Spunky little thing, isn't he? By the way, I like these grips. Only thing I don't like about them, they don't spin around like the more expensive ones do. Okay, got him. Okay, see the nice hook set? That's the way it's supposed to be. Beautiful blue eyes. Let's let him go. First, we remove the hook. That was easy. Hook is gone. Okay. Yeah, pretty one. Pretty color, not too big. But anyway, let's let him go. Good day of fishing. Let's keep it up. Let's get something bigger. I'm going to use bigger bait. Let's get out of here. Good day. Okay, this is the ICW. North Myrtle Beach. In October, water temperature 80 degrees. Wacamo River is flooded still. I haven't fished that for a month. There's water in the parking lot, and that takes care of the fishing. Maybe in a couple of days I could get out there. I like to fish for bowfin. Okay, it's gonna be high tide soon. Hey, if I put the kayak away and I still have time, I'll fish from the dock. Nobody around. I still have bait.
Oh, almost slimed up. I'm surprised I brought him in. I wore him out. That was the secret. To wear him out. Okay. Made it safe and sound. Now, let's get the keys. This in here. I'll get the dry box, and we can get the wheels. Come and pick up the kayak. Turn off the depth finder. This in the kayak, no need to get poked in the eye with that. Let's get the wheels. Woo! Oh, if you want to know what kind of wheels these are, this is Ceto. It helps me load the kayak, bring the kayak to my destination. Stay out of everybody's way. That's the secret of a good kayaker. Stay out of the boater's way. Well, everybody should stay out of the boater's way. You know, that's why they give you 15 minutes to load up and do what you got to do. I like to do it in 5. Okay, put the wheels under there, pull the kayak back. Ratchet there, ratchet it up a little bit, and we're ready to go.